And in this video, I'm going to show you, as a free member of LeadsLeap, how to add an advert to LeadsLeap. And as a free member, you're allowed to have 3 ads in total. And once you log in, come to your dashboard, and on the left-hand side down here, one of the top tabs you'll see is advertising. You will see post credit ads. We're going to come back to that in just a moment, because first I'm going to go to the track links. And if you click on that, it'll take you a new page. Now, because I want to use the exact same URL, I don't need to make a new track. All I need to do is copy this. So click on Use, copy this one here, Control C, and I'm going to add a new identifier at the end of it. So let's go back to post credit ads for the free members. And I don't have any ads at the moment. I have 1,445 total credits, and that's going to get me 1,125 visits. That's what is available to me. And if you've been doing the click-in over the last few days and weeks since we started this program, you should have some credits. So I'm going to click on add a new ad. And the URL I'm going to use is that URL that I copied. And then the identifier at the end is LeadsLeap. So that will separate it from LeadsLeap. Now, the only thing that I can't do with this is because I'm using the same URL, is I can't see which visitors, which countries are coming to LeadsLeap and which countries are coming to ITB in the same way. But at the end of the day, not too much of a problem. So I've added in the URL. So you want to put in a catchy title, like I have done here, thousands of ad credits for free. And you've only got a maximum of 25 characters. So I would use as many of those 25 characters as I possibly could. I wish they'd make this just a little bit longer, but you can see why they don't. It's because over here, that's what the ad is going to look like. And then you want to add a little text ad just down here, get thousands and thousands and thousands of free ad credits. And that's going to go in the little bit here. Once you've filled in the title and your ad text, then we're going to add the image by clicking here. The image needs to be a minimum of 300 by 250 and under, I think it's 2 megabytes. So I'm going to click here to upload an image. I'm going to go over to my directory where I've got all my images and scroll down until I see the Unlock Massive 300. I'm going to click on Open, and the image is selected here, and then I'm going to click on the little green arrow to select it, and it's doing its stuff. And there you go, the image is now added, and I'm going to select the best category, and I'm going to do list building because it's about getting credit. And then I'm not going to link to my social reviews. And I'm going to test with 200 credits. And then I'm going to preview the saved. Let's save it as a draft first. Okay. And then let's preview the saved ad. And there you go. There is the ad. And looking jolly decent, if I must say so myself. And when you click on it, it should take me to our page. And up here is the URL with the identifier at the end. And there you go. Okay, so that's all working. That's brilliant. And lastly, I'm going to go back to the page. And I'm going to save and submit. And that's it for today. Your ad has been submitted. Please click the preview link to check that it works. Please refresh the page if you've topped up the credits. Okay. So my ad has been submitted. It needs to be approved now. It'll take a little while. So that's your challenge for today, to add your advert, put the new identifier on it so that we can see that it's coming from LeadsLeap. And I'll show you what's happening with these identifiers in a couple of videos, because it's very, very interesting. Okay, so I'll see you there in the next video, which is going to be about Hungry for Hits adverts.